part probe, and we're going to run this machine for you and demonstrate the ability and the RPMs. We're going to do from about 6,000 to 10,000 RPM. Anytime you're ready. This is going to go through a drill and tap cycle, small holes, and then enlarge the hole, and then use a 1-inch. This is just enlarging the hole. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. (10,000 RPM). It's this machine is only run aluminum cast. It has P-Cool, Air Blast, standard flood coolant. And then it's going to go from this enlarging the hole to a 1/2-inch drill. End mill. And it's going to run this at about 7,000?
7,000 RPM?
7,000 RPM.
There's a programmable coolant tip?
Yep.
If you can see that.
And then finish the program. And done. Okay, it has an MPG, high intensity lighting, some extra tools that can be bought, processed, and purchased separately, plus the regular tool blocks. This is a 30 ATC. Walk around the back of the machine. Standard coolant. This is the pallet system. 3 pallets on it. Walk around the front and then over to the pallet system and the pallet pool doors, also with high intensity lighting. And this machine is in like new condition. If you have any questions, you call Automatics and Machinery.